Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can easily log into your Accor application or the all Accor application on your iPhone. So in order to begin, I'll just open the application and I'll show you quickly how to do that. So I'll open the all Accor application, and once you're in here it says login. I'll just click on login, and now if you want you can install if you already have an account you can just put the email ID and password. So in my case I'm going to use the Google account, so it will be much easier to start. So I'll click on continue with Google, and now I'll just choose my email here, and yeah, now that will log into my account. Okay, so yep, so that's how you can easily log into your all Accor application easily in like 1 minute or so. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.